In a world where light shapes life, Winway Lighting stands as a trusted name in professional LED commercial lighting. Since 2015, we've been committed to innovation, manufacturing, and excellence, lighting up spaces across the globe. Quality stems from meticulous selection. Every component, from ABS plus PP and LED chips to iron mounting plates, undergoes rigorous screening and testing. Each iron mounting plate undergoes precision cutting, rust-proof coating, and high-temperature testing to ensure strength, safety, and lasting beauty. Inside our modern production base in Guangdong, every light takes shape through automated lines and intelligent control systems. Advanced SMT lines, reflow soldering, and CNC machining ensure precision in every PCB module and lamp body. Before delivery, all Winway products undergo strict aging, waterproof, and impact resistance tests, ensuring CE, RO, HS, and FCC compliance. Each tri-proof light, ceiling light, and linear pendant light leaves our factory ready to perform wherever it's installed. Winway's iron mounting plate design delivers both durability and flexibility, ensuring easy installation and long-term reliability. Our IP65/IP66 tri-proof lights deliver outstanding performance in industrial, retail, and parking environments, waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion resistant. Sustainability is in our DNA. From recyclable materials to energy-efficient production lines, Winway is dedicated to greener lighting solutions. With flexible OEM/ODM services and fast delivery, we empower partners worldwide to succeed under brighter light. From concept to creation, every light carries Winway's promise: precision, performance, and partnership. Your reliable lighting partner since 2015, Winway Lighting.